So I'm aware that people who need priority for the lifts have a lift priority pass, which gives them priority access to use the lifts ahead of anyone else who's able to use the stairs. Yeah.
Would you give up your space for the lift for you when you're in it?
Of course, yeah, and I'd also encourage other people to do the same. If you're able to use the stairs and there's someone who's not able to use the stairs, I'd really encourage you to leave enough room for them and, take the stairs instead and make sure they have enough room in the lift.
So Lily, how are you aware of the difficulties on the lift?
I am quite aware that it does get busy in the lifts and some people refuse to get out the lifts for people that need to use it.
So next one is, do you feel affected by the problems with lift being cafes? And if you do feel like you are affected, why, and please could you explain in what way?
I don't like the fact that it gets really busy because I've got in the lift before and it's so busy that I don't feel comfortable being in a busy lift. And I know for people that need to use the lift, they may not like how crowded it gets.
Are you aware of the disability priority on the lifts?
Yes, I am. I've actually had to get some passes to give to some of my students that need to use the lifts.
That is very good and very helpful. Thank you for that. Also, do you feel affected by the problem of the overbusying lifts?
I do actually, because some of my students do need the lifts to be able to get around the college, and they're normally so busy that my students actually can't always get into the lifts when they need to, which means they're late to their breaks, they're late coming back, and they can find this quite stressful. I think it can be stressful for the students, it can be stressful for the LSAs that they're working with. So yeah, no, I think it is something that really affects a lot of students in the college.
The first question is, are you aware of the disability on the lift?
Yeah, I am aware of the disabled priority on the lift. It's this little card, and people who have it have priority on the lift. So if you're on the lift and you don't have this card, and then it opens and then somebody does have this card, then you should give up your spot to the person who does have it. Yeah?
Thanks for that. And do you feel affected by the problems with lift being confused? And if do you feel like you are affected, why? And please could you explain in what way?
Yeah, so when I chaperone some students who do have the priority lift pass up to their classes, sometimes because of how full the lifts are, and some people just don't really give up their spot to people who do have the priority pass.
Are you aware that there's a disability priority to the lifts?
Yes, I am, and I'm kind of annoyed that some people don't notice that.
That brings me on to my next question. Do you feel like it's you're affected by the overbusying of the lift?
Yes, because depending on what floor I want to get on, there could be loads of people. They either won't get off when I need to get on, or they just won't move when I need to get off. It's just infuriating.
That sounds annoying.
Yes, it is.